Welcome to Bharati Education and Information. Today, we honor the remarkable life and legacy of Pope Francis, a man of peace, humility, and faith. Pope Francis, born Jorge Mario Bergoglio in Buenos Aires, Argentina, became the 266th Pope of the Roman Catholic Church in 2013. He was the first Jesuit Pope, the first from the Americas, and the first non-European Pope in over 1,200 years. He focused his mission on love, compassion, and inclusion. Whether it was fighting poverty, protecting the environment, or speaking up for refugees, Pope Francis reminded the world that faith must come with action. His words, "Who am I to judge?" echoed across the world and opened doors for dialogue. His legacy will be remembered as one of unity, humility, and courage in modernizing the Church. As the world reflects on his teachings and impact, we are reminded of the power of humility and love. May his message live on in our hearts and actions. If you'd like to share your thoughts or favorite quote from Pope Francis, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from around the world. Pope Francis, 1936-2025. A life of service, a legacy of love. Thank you for watching.